So the theme for the month of May for the air sign Libra is trust. So sometimes there are things that you cannot control or may mga bagay tayo na hindi natin kayang kontrolin. At ang sinasabi ng theme para ngayong buwan ng May ay magtiwala lang tayo na yung mga dapat na mangyari ay mangyayari para sa atin at yung mga dapat na hindi mangyari ay parang hindi siya nangyari or napigilan siya mangyari dahil it won't bring the betterment for you or hindi pa nakalaan or hindi pa nararapat ito para sa'yo this month of May. So, just trust the process. Trust that everything will be for your better good. So, the first card that came out for the month of May for the zodiac sign Libra is the Four of Pentacles in the reverse. So, this means na this month, it seems like you will be taken by surprise by something. So, may mangyayaring situation sa inyo at magugulat ka. Unexpected itong mangyayari. And it seems like you're not prepared for this, kung ano man tong situation na ito. With the clarifying cards here, it's saying here na mabibigyan ka ng opportunity, a great opportunity to start something new. And with the Knight of Swords, it's saying you would be very direct with it. Na parang you would be saying your feelings towards this. And those feelings are pessimism. Kasi whatever this news is, this will be very shocking for you. At pakiramdam mo, hindi ka handa para dito sa makakalap mong news that will be involving you. And double confirmation with the Four of Pentacles in the reverse, you will be taken aback by this news. So parang magugulat ka, hindi ka well prepared for this news, whatever this is. And it would be a burden for you. The Ten of Wands came out in the reverse. It will be a burden, but the thing is, wala kang magagawa regarding this. So, kung meron kang kailangang i-fulfill na responsibility this month, hindi mo expected na ikaw yung kailangan gumawa nun. But the thing is, you have no other choice but to do it. And because of this unexpected news, it would feel like parang hindi ka makapag-move forward agad-agad. Kasi nga, you're the type of person who likes to plan ahead. So, kailangan may plano, kailangan parang everything is planchado bago mo isa, parang before you take that plan of action, kailangan lahat planchado kasi it feels like you're very OC or very rigid about things. Kaya yun yung lumabas na clarifying cards. The next card that came out is the Ten of Wands in the upright. So, ang ibig sabihin nito, this month of May, you would be feeling very burned out kasi ang dami mong workload. It feels like this has something to do with work kasi lumabas yung Ten of uh, Pentacles in the upright. So, the clarifying cards here are saying you would feel very, very burned out and stressed with regards to yung unexpected news or maybe this is an unexpected role that you will be taking pagdating sa work mo. And madami ka ng trabaho at as of the moment, dadami pa lalo yung workload mo. And because you are parang maybe you are the boss or meron kang mga taong hinahandle because you need this job and you are very passionate when it comes to working, you will be very mature about it. Na kahit na labag sa loob mo na ang dami-dami mong workload, wala kang magagawa eh kasi this is parang this is the task that you have to finish. And it's saying here, it would feel talagang this month of May, mapupurga ka sa trabaho. Yun yung sinasabi dito. And you would be feeling very tired. Ang nakikita ko dito is parang yung mga tao, sasabihin mo sa kanila na wag niyo muna akong istorbohin kasi ang dami kong ginagawa at kailangan kong tapusin yung trabaho ko para matapos lang for the sake of. Yun yung sinasabi ng card. So, it would feel like May would be very, very stressful and heavy when it comes to your career or your job or your work or your business. Okay, so the next card that came out is the Empress. And it feels like pagdating sa work, you would be dealing with an Empress or a feminine energy who is like a mother figure. So itong person na ito, this will guide you pagdating sa trabaho. Kung ano yung mga kung ano yung dapat mong gawin, kung ano yung dapat mong i-fulfill. And there are plenty of parang madami kang kailangan i-fulfill na work para dito sa Empress na 'to. And, it would feel very, very exhausting for you working with this Empress. With the Knight of Cups in the reverse, parang feeling mo papahirapan ka niya. 'Yun yung sinasabi ng cards. Papahirapan ka niya, ang dami niyang papagawa sa'yo, but you cannot do anything about it because, ah boss mo 'to, eh, parang gano'n. 'Yun yung sinasabi ng cards. This is your boss and you need to work or you need to have harmonious relationships with this Empress in order to fulfill the job that needs to be fulfilled. Okay, so the next card that came out is the Seven of Swords in the reverse. So, there would be realizations na ma-realize mo or there would be things that will come up to the surface or there would be the truth, mare-reveal yung truth with regards to your work. And ang sinasabi dito, with the Nine of Pentacles in the upright and the Five of Wands in the upright, there would be a lot of money. So, abundance-wise or money-wise, financially, magiging stable ka this May. But the thing is, in order for you to get this dream, kasi parang pangarap mo na magkaroon ng stability pagdating sa finances. In order for you to get this dream of having financial stability, you would be crossing paths with a lot of people. By crossing paths, ang ibig sabihin niyan, madami kang makakasangga ng mga tao na you will not be parang you won't have the same idea or you will not have the same mindset pagdating sa work. It would be very excruciating for you. But you need to do this. And with the last set of cards here, the Six of Wands in the reverse, the Page of Cups in the reverse, and the Ten of Cups in the reverse. Tatanungin mo yung sarili ko, worth it ba yung mga gagawin ko ngayong May na to para sa trabaho ko? Kasi parang magsasuffer yung family dynamics when it comes to the workload. And feeling mo, hindi mo mafulfill yung trabaho na kailangan mong gawin. You would feel like a failure, you will be disappointed in yourself, and you will ask yourself, worth it ba yung mga gagawin kong sacrifices? So, with the next card here, the Six of Cups in the reverse. So, you would be feeling very unhappy dito sa situation mo. I feel that you're very rigid when it comes to getting things done. And dahil nga this is a surprise, parang the job that will be given to you will be taken by you will be taken by surprise. You will be parang dapat pinagplanuhan mo 'to, 'yun yung sinasabi ng cards. dapat pinagplanuhan mo 'to, pero dahil ang bilis ng mga pangyayari, hindi ka nakapagplano, and yun yung realization na magkakaroon ka. You would feel very disappointed in yourself because you would feel like a failure this month of May. So, parang wala ka ng magagawa, eh, you just need to move forward kahit na alam mo na you could have given 1,000% in all of this kung nakapagplano ka lang. Planning is really the main point here na parang naiinis ka sa sarili mo dahil wala masyadong plano or hindi ka nakapagplano para sa dapat mong gawin. Okay, so the last card here is the guidance for your spread, and the card that came out is the Ten of Swords in the reverse. So everything this May ang forecast, it will be very very hard and difficult. You will be going through a lot this May. And ang sinasabi dito, yung guidance, kung hindi mo na malalagpasan yung or parang nakakommit ka na dun sa bagay like work, yung the theme here is mostly for your work or money or career. If nakapag-yes ka na dun sa mga kailangan mong i-fulfill, all you need to do is find the courage and the strength to move forward. Kahit na alam mo na this is not your best, parang you're not at your best state. Kasi minsan talaga may mga bagay na binibigay sa atin, hindi tayo 100% dun sa bagay na yon. Kasi alam natin na hindi natin masyadong napagplanuhan. Yun talaga yung sinasabi ng cards. And uh, always choose happiness. Yun ang sinasabi ng cards. Always choose to be more forgiving. Always choose to love yourself. Kasi it would be more stressful for you kung iisipin mo ng iisipin at i-overthink mo na yung mga bagay-bagay is your fault and you're not well planned or hindi ka nakapagplano, hindi ka prepared for this. Huwag mong sisihin yung sarili mo kasi kung nakapag-yes ka na, nandyan na yan. So, again, the guidance is kung meron kang if you will dive in to the sea, pag-isipan mong mabuti. Kasi baka masyado mong china-challenge yung sarili mo na kaya ko yung task, but in reality, you're really not prepared for the task. So, again, ego, pride. Wag natin masyadong pairalin yung pride and yung ego, and be more forgiving of yourself. Trust that you will be making the best decisions for your self this May.